In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add consent in Surveymonkey. So in order to add a consent, you first need to head over to surveymonkey.com and click onto this get started free right here or sign up free right here in order to create an account. Since I already have one, let me just click onto this login. So here is actually the survey that I already have. So as you can see, the first option right here is just a question and I want it to be actually a consent. So for this case, let's head over and click onto this add content and then let's add in here a question. For this case, let's head over and enter in here the question, which is actually the consent. So in here, let's choose in here multiple choice, which is actually yes or no. Make sure to add yes or no option right here. After that, make sure to actually save this, or you can already go over right here to the logic option. Save this first. And we have in here this. So for this case, and click on this logic. And then if yes, let's choose in here the page for page 1. If no, let's choose in here the page for disqualification page. After that, click on save right here. And this will actually head over and then have it right here. Let's click on this plus icon below and add in your page break. So in that way, the user won't be able to see the next survey if they actually disagreed with this. So onto this case, if they click on yes, they will be redirected to this part. But if they click on no, they will be disqualified to answer this particular survey. Once you're done with this, head over to the collect responses option and then share this with people that you want to answer this particular survey. So you can actually add some things that you would want, but once you're done, you can head over and then have it ready. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.